We are making courgette fritters today, with herbs, garlic, and a little bit of cheese. You will need 1 courgette, 1 egg, a few tablespoons of plain flour, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, a handful of mixed herbs, half a teaspoon of salt, and frying oil. Wash and grate a courgette using a fine grater. Add about 2 tablespoons of grated cheese, or grate a small piece of cheese. We are using cheddar cheese, but other types of cheese will also taste delicious. Add a handful of dried herbs. These could be herbs from your garden, such as dried sage, mint, parsley, and marjoram, or store-bought mixed herbs. Peel 3 cloves of garlic, and put them through a garlic press. Add 1 egg. Combine all ingredients, using a fork. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add a few heaped tablespoons of plain flour. Let's start by adding 3 tablespoons of flour, and check how thick the batter is. If the batter is still thin, add more flour. We have added 5 heaped teaspoons of flour. This will depend on how large and how watery the courgette was. Heat up a pan and add frying oil. Once the oil is hot, spoon the mixture into the pan, forming small fritters. Fry the fritters until the edges start to brown. Then, flip the fritters and fry them for a few more minutes until they are fried from both sides. Transfer to a plate and enjoy as a starter or a snack.